I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inimitable in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Happy K Review. So today I'm going to be actually unraveling this unit that I did a review on. I'll actually link it below just in case you haven't seen that video. This is the Bobbi Boss Ivana, and I'm wearing it in the color T1B30. So initially I was going to take it out since I don't know how to braid on the head, but since I want to see what it looks like, and I'm sure you guys do too, I'm going to actually just unravel it for you. So before I do that, I'm just going to give you a 360 and show you what it looks like. So this, of course, is everything to the front. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So let me just take these out and we'll see how it looks. Okay, you guys, I misspoke before about the color. So this is actually in the color TT1B2730, and it's the Bobbi Boss Ivana Unraveled. Now normally with pre-braided units, sometimes it's a hit or miss, but for this one I feel like they did a really good job, because not only does it look good in those two braids that it originally comes with, it looks really good out. I didn't experience well, I actually experienced some shedding, a few snags here and there, but nothing crazy. And I guess the one thing I would do if I were to wear it out like this is just to cut the ends, because it is very long. It goes past my belly button, so I would probably cut it at about like right here. But that's probably it. Yeah, I think it's really pretty. It's so much fuller when you take it out. This is everything to the front, and it's not lightweight, but it's not heavy either. It's definitely a good amount of hair. I feel like taking this out and wearing this like to the beach or on a summer day or something might be a little bit much for you, because even me having this out right now, it's like 90 degrees outside, and I just couldn't really see myself wearing it right now just because it's too hot for that. But I mean, the unit as a whole I feel like is really cute in both styles. In the fact that you can literally just go from one style to the other with ease. Just take the braids out, finger comb it some, and then you're good to go. I feel like that's a really good plus. This feels like it's small, medium, and big head friendly. The texture, once you take it out, definitely is more along the lines of a medium Yaki, which I definitely like. So this is everything to the front. This is to the side. And then this is everything to the back. So definitely a lot of hair. Yeah, but that's pretty much all I have to say about this one. I feel like it's worth the buy. I definitely will pick it up again just for the fact that I really like those braids and I don't know how to braid onto the head. So I definitely will be picking it up again, and I feel like they did a really good job with this color. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this one. I hope you guys like this video. Give me a like and give me a subscribe. Comment down below if there's anything you think I should do different, or if there's any other units that you want me to pick up and review for you. So until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.